Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Payday 2 game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If the issue still occurs, again come back, simply select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC once and then check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Now after updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if it's working. So go to Steam and here you will see the update option available. Simply you have to click on update option and wait for some time to update the game completely, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if there is any update available after updating your Windows to the latest version. Now try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. You have to remove it first. For that, click on the 3 dot icon and then click on remove device. Once done, restart your system once. After restarting, again come back, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices, and here you have to click on add a device. Click on everything else and here you have to add your controller. Now once the controller is added, now check if it's working. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or you can also search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and this will take you to the next page. From here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading it, have to install it and then connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Payday 2 game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working on Payday 2 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.